If you can't wait to have the Sapphire Princess cocktail, I'm going to show you right now how to make it. And to do this, you need to start off with the juice of a lemon. Cut it straight through the middle to squeeze it, to balance that lemon juice with some slightly sweeter Blue Curacao. We add 15 ml of Martini Bianco vermouth. Now the botanical flavors in the vermouth are going to pair really exceptionally well with the Bombay Sapphire, which has 10 botanicals in it. In that goes, into the cocktail shaker. And we fill it completely full of cubed ice. That is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color in there. We then add a dash of Prosecco, and this really enlivens the cocktail and links to the wake of the sea. We just spritz an orange peel disc over the top of the drink, and then like a ray of sunshine, we're just gonna slide that onto the rim. There we are. That is your Sapphire Princess cocktail. Enjoy.